Welcome to our first Halloween do-it-yourself project. I'm about to go recruit some helpers. Alright, I have my assistant here. Her name is Bria. So let's get into the project. Alright, we have our full pumpkin carving contingency here. So the project supplies we'll need for this snail and butternut squash pumpkin carving project are one butternut squash. It will actually become our snail's head. We need a round pumpkin that roughly would be the size and equivalent to the butternut squash so that it looks like the body. You need 2 eyes. We have used 2 red ping pong balls. You can also get monster eyes that you can see in the video here. And you'll need 2 wooden skewers to put the eyes into your snail. We've now carved out our pumpkin spiral, and now it's time to shift gears towards the butternut squash and adding the head to the body. So now it's time to chop up the butternut squash. The trick to the butternut squash is to cut the head off at angle head up so that it actually lays level and the head looks like it's pulling off to the side. So we're going to try that now and show you what the finished product looks like. We've now successfully carved off the snail's head from the butternut squash and have it sitting next to the body. The next step is get out the wooden skewer sticks and the eyes. You can either use ping pong balls or other small things from any dollar store. You can find some great items there for the eyes. So we're going to rig that up now and finish the project.
Daddy,
all right, I'm with my helper Bria again, and we're about to actually put the snail's eyes into the head of the snail.
Daddy, we have a problem.
Yeah?
Look.
Oh yeah, it looks good.
So they're not the same size.
Oh yeah, I think it's okay though. I think it'll look okay once we put them in there. So what we're going to do is make 2 small holes into the snail's heads, and then Bria's going to pop them in. We'll show you the end product momentarily. For Bria and I, we've just completed our snail project.
Yeah, I want to show them the eyeballs.
Okay, let's show them the eyeballs. I'll bring it over here. You get close and you show them how it works. All right, get in the picture and all right, and then duck down so we can actually see the snail. There you go. Okay, stand over to the side. Okay, stand up. All right, so there's our completed projects, folks. My helper Bria and our snail. So we're now going to put it out in front of our house. Thank you for your time, and if you got any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and we'll try to help you out with this project if you're having troubles, or also send us pictures of your completed projects if you've done so. All right, say goodbye to everyone, Bria.
Bye-bye!
See our lesson learned right on the front of the snail there. So once again, make sure you cut the angle of your head the correct direction. What do you think of the snail, Bria? Is it a good project?
Yeah.
Yeah? Was it easy to do?
Yeah.
2 thumbs up or 1 thumb up?
I don't know. It looks good.
All right.